Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can easily migrate from Clawdbot or Moltbot to a latest version of OpenClaw as they rebranded. So let's get started. Now first I will be showing the terminal version if you didn't set everything up, and next up I will show a way on how you can migrate if you already have set up your Moltbot with a chat app. So for the terminal version you will just need to load up your terminal and then just use this command right here. I'll put this command in the comments below so you can just copy paste it right here. Now once you have the command copy pasted, just go ahead and press enter to initiate it, and then it will fetch the latest version of OpenClaw as you can see, and then use a OpenClaw doctor to verify if everything still works correctly. So this might take a few minutes. And here we are. So after a few minutes the migration is finished and it just automatically loaded up the setup wizard. So from here let's go ahead and check how you can migrate. You already had a chat app set up. So let's say that you have your OpenClaw bot on Telegram, then you just need to open up your Telegram, then go to the bot that you set up to communicate with OpenClaw, and then just press enter. Now I didn't finish the configuration for this specific bot, so it won't respond, but if you chatted previously with your OpenClaw, it will just automatically migrate you after you ask it to. But essentially guys, that's how you migrate from Moltbot or any previous version to the latest version of OpenClaw. If you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up OpenClaw, you can watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.